Out here this beautiful morning in Jonesboro, Arkansas at a company called Ground Crew. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of camera maintenance. Let's head inside and get started. Here at their data rack where the recorder is mounted, this system isn't one that I put in. I just took over maintenance on it a few years ago, but they don't have a monitor mounted at this rack. Lucky for me, I got a portable monitor. Let me go ahead and get it set up and I'll show you the two cameras we need to replace. Got the monitor set up. I haven't had this very long, but I absolutely love it. I can power it off my power bank. It's got plenty of inputs, a couple USB-Cs, a mini HDMI. I absolutely love this thing. But anyways, the cameras we're gonna be replacing today is this office front. It's stuck in infrared mode, so it's black and white all the time. And then we're also gonna be replacing this maintenance north, which that has a lot of moisture in the camera. So it's just a really terrible picture. The lights are off in there, so you can't see anything right now. But even if the lights were on, it's just completely fogged over. All right, let me get the IP addresses for these two cameras so I can program the two new ones to match. Let's get it. Here we have the two replacements that I'm going to be installing. Let me go ahead and take these inside and get some programming done on them, and then I'll get them installed. The first camera I'm replacing is the one on the front of the office. This is the one that's stuck in the infrared mode, so it's showing black and white all the time. Let me hop up there, pull that camera down, get the new one slammed up there, and then I'll go inside and get it sighted in. There's the view of the new camera. I still got it sighted in just a little bit. Because I don't have remote access to the site, I don't have an app or anything to log into to get this camera sighted in. So I resorted to setting my phone on the rack to FaceTime my iPad so I can see the screen. Now I can take my iPad out there to the ladder and get it sighted in and be good to go. And here's the second camera I'm replacing. Now this one is the one that had almost no image on it at all. Now it's not moisture in the camera like I originally suspected. I don't know if this camera's just been hit by something because the mount is actually kind of cross-threaded and looks like it might have been through some stuff, or if it just quit working. Not really sure. Let me go ahead and get this one pulled down, get the new one up. Got the camera all adjusted, and would you believe it if I told you the lights were off inside this building and there's no windows? That is strictly their fantastic night vision. And then these cameras do have a supplemental light, and I'll show you that here in just a second. And there is the supplemental light I was talking about. The brightness of it is adjustable, but I'm telling you, these cameras, it really doesn't take much. Just for reference, this is how it looks to the naked eye. You still really can't make out what's in here, but you can see everything bright as day on the camera. I absolutely love these things. And here's a shot with the lights on in the shop. You definitely have more detail, but there's really not much of a difference between lights on and lights off with this new camera. These little units are fantastic. Now that I got those two cameras installed and the customer's happy with them, I do have one more job on the agenda for today. I'm not going to be recording that one though. But a buddy of mine that owns another company, he's needing some help getting two TVs mounted in a courtroom. So I'm going to go give him a hand with that, and I'll see you guys on the next one.